Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline Tattoo Brows. I have done a review a couple of months ago on the L'Oreal Micro Tattoo Brow Pen. You can watch the review of that just by clicking on the card right here somewhere, I think. I have seen a couple of videos around and the results looks too good to be true. So I thought I'd give it a try myself. This can either go well or can go horribly wrong, but whichever result we get, you'll be seeing it here. I got this for $12.99 at my local Superdrugs, and I got it in a shade of a medium brown, because a lot of the reviews says that it does come out a bit dark, so I thought I shouldn't go for the dark brown, I should go for the medium brown. So I'm gonna I'm gonna try it. I actually haven't tried it before, so this is gonna be the first time I'm trying it. Oh, and it's in the gel form. It smells like glue actually. So let's get right to it. Right, so for the purpose of this video, I'm not wearing no makeup, so everything is bare. There's nothing, no product on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gel onto my eyebrows. I actually haven't read the instructions. It's not rocket science, so I guess it's just like apply it. So I'm gonna start with the end. Okay, that's where I kind of want it to be a little bit dark, so I'm just gonna apply a light stroke. Oh, that's cold. Okay, so I'm just gonna trace my brow line in, focus on the top bit, the areas that I normally fill in when I do draw my eyebrows in. Okay, so hopefully it will come out alright. I'm gonna go really fairly at the front because I don't want it to be too dark. I think that's alright. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna let that dry. Oh, I didn't put enough at the bottom here. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, and then we'll move on to the next one. We all have the brows that is always good. This one is always good to me. Oh, I made a little dot. I'm just gonna give a Q-tip to clean that mess right there. I don't want that in the wrong place. Oh, bagger. This is not going as planned. Okay, thank God for Q-tips. Right, under control. Let's keep on going. Hopefully I'm gonna have a steady hand to do this brow. Usually this is my good brow. This is the brows that does what I tell it to do. So I don't know what's going on today. I don't know why my hand is getting so shaky. Maybe because I'm recording. Just go light at the front. I think that's applied evenly. Okay, so I don't think it's too dark because I did go for, like I said, I went for medium brown just because I didn't want it to be too dark. Because on normal day, my eyebrows, I wouldn't say they're dark, but at the same time, I don't want it to be, you know, when it looks too dark, it looks very unnatural. So I think this should be alright. So I'm gonna let this dry. So I'm gonna leave it on for about 20 minutes. It does say if you want it a lot darker, or if you want it to last 3 days, you should leave it on for about 2 hours, I think. Let me see. Yes, leave it on for 2 hours. 20 minutes will give you probably a 1 day wear, 1.5 days wear. So let's see. Right, so I've left it on for 20 minutes. I'm gonna see if it's dry. I think it's dried. Nothing. Okay, so this is a moment of truth. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it off. It does say pull it this way. Ooh, okay. Am I the only one that loves peeling stuff? I do love peeling stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it gently because I don't want to rip up my brows. Alright, that's coming off easily. Oh my god, it's actually dark. Oh wow. And this is what it looks like. None of my hair's come off, so that's good. I was really worried about that. It does give a natural look. Definitely a definition, and it looks like I've literally just drawn my eyebrows in. Okay, I'm gonna put my concealer off camera and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. So I've literally just prepped my eyebrows just by putting concealer around the top and the bottom, and this is what it looks like. It literally looks like I've filled in my eyebrows with pencil, but it looks so natural, and I think I like it. So I might have to do this every now and then. I think it's great for when you're going on holiday. I really like it. What do you guys think? If you've tried it before, comment and let me know what your experience was. Yeah, I think it's a thumbs up for me. price wise I think it's a bit too pricey, but it does work magic. And I am gonna try the 3 days result and leave it on for 2 hours and see if it actually lasts for 3 days. I will put my findings in the description box. Okay, so if you do enjoy this review, comment below and thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I will see you on my next video, whenever that is going to be. Hopefully I'll try to be very consistent this time around, but I don't want to promise anything because life does happen. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye.